Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, I have 6 amazing apps to help you improve your productivity and your well-being as well on the iPhone. So let's start this video. So the first app is called Routinery. So Routinery is a pretty simple app. Just by the name of it, it's all about your routines. So the app is free to download, and the free version only allows for you to have only one routine. If you pay for their in-app subscription, of course, you get to follow and add more routines as much as you want. But like I'm going to explain very right now, is that my morning routine is the only one that I pretty much need to have. Since my morning routines, if I don't complete it at a certain time and everything, then it pretty much ruins my whole day, and I'm just angry at myself. And this app just helps me track my routine so I don't forget my stuff that I need to get done throughout the day. So it's pretty simple to use the app. So of course, first off, you have here I have my make my bed, of course, in the morning, shower not for 15 minutes, so I have to fix that. Breakfast, drink some water, think about my goals. So whenever I'm done eating breakfast and everything, I come back upstairs and start thinking about my goals, get inspired. So that's pretty much looking at like new going on product hunt and looking at new app ideas and everything like that, so I can quickly see what I'm going through there. And then of course read the newspaper, so that pretty much read the news. I was too lazy to change that right now, but yeah, it's just pretty much read the news, and it's just a pretty simple way just to follow your routine. You can add a timer, of course. You could click the start timer if you want, but for me, I just like having it like this, just so that I know what I need to do throughout the day, so I don't forget. Because like I said, if I don't do my morning routine at a certain specific time, then it pretty much just bogs down my whole day, and it's not cool for me. Next, we have Tide. So Tide is a meditation app that allows you to listen to some meditation for free. So you could have whatever you want to improve your day. So I'm going to just turn on the volume here, and there we go. So from there, of course, you get to see what you need to do here. If you want to take a quick focus mode, you could focus on your meditation right there, and it will give you a timer of how long you want to focus for. And then of course, sleep, nap, breathing. So if you want to improve your breathing meditation, then you have a breathing meditation. And what I like about this app is just all the animation, just how simple and nice and the design is. I just love how the developers really thought about everything really nice and simple, which just looks really, really nice. And of course, here are some classes. So the app is free, but there is an in-app purchase or in-app subscription to unlock a lot of the other stuff. So a lot of it is free, like the beginner's part. And then take a break here as well. Here you can have, and then you could go to explore. So in your explore area, here's where you get to have a little bit much more fun and try new stuff as well. So here you get to select whatever you want to try to focus on and then try to improve when it comes to your well-being and meditation. Then this area has a lot of cool how do you call it, sections of for what you can improve on throughout the day to help you just be more productive throughout the day. Next, we have zones. So many of you guys know I made a video about this a while back, about this awesome new to-do app here. It's pretty simple. I just like it because here I get to add quickly ideas or tasks, of course. Some ideas here are some ideas of what I need to get done here. And then these are the tasks I need to do for this week. So I already added the stuff that I want to do for this week. And yeah, it's just a awesome to-do app that I really like. The app is not free, but it is like $2 Canadian or so. But it's well worth it. The developer has been updating it, adding some cool features as well. And it's just really simple to use. You can add a new task or a new idea right from the same area. You don't have to go and do crazy a lot of buttons or anything like that. It's just really simple enough to do and use. Next, we have Focused Work. So Focused Work is an interesting app that I have been using now to help you stay much more focused whenever it comes to whatever task you need to get focused on. So I have a couple of tasks here that I have. So maybe it could be watching Netflix. Maybe I just want to focus on watching Netflix, or editing a video. I just click on it, and then from there I get to start counting. When I click the play button on the top right corner right there, it will automatically start counting down. Or whenever it comes to edit photos, then I could quickly just click on start and it will quickly just count down for 25 minutes. Maybe I just want to edit one photo, then I could just focus on editing photos. I could change the timer, of course, to whatever I want. Usually I like to have it to count up so that I can see how long I've been editing my photos or doing some certain tasks. It's just a great way just to track yourself, of course. And even when you're a freelance person, timing yourself is great, since if you don't know if you're going to be charged by the hour or so, if you're being charged by the hour, or you just need to focus on whatever, you just want to track your time. It's just a great way just to stay a little bit more productive and see where you're spending the most time in what area. Next, we have dark noise. So dark noise, of course, is a white noise app that allows you to have some cool white noise background whenever you need to focus in work and just, focus on the work that needs to be done. So I like using white noise, of course. I have my 3 mixes that I created up here: my chill, my focus, my relaxed nature section right there. So yeah, it's just a really simple app to have white noise in the background. If you want need some nature background noise, then you can have that nature background noise right here. And then of course air conditioning, nature, fire, vehicles, urban, which is a nice little thing. So if you want the coffee shop sound, and with all this COVID stuff that was going on and everything, having these type of sounds is just really nice to have in my room, just because sometimes it just gets really lonely in here with no noise. So yeah, I just like having this type of background noise playing while I'm working. Next and not least, we have this awesome app that I've been using now to track my mood called Mood Monk. I did a video about this app. I'm not going to go into it, but it's just a really great way just to track your mood as well. So you could quickly add whatever you need to do. If you just want to track your mood, then that's great. It has also other features as well, where you can add some stuff. You could write like a journal type stuff. You can answer the questions and just see. And it also has exercises as well right here. But like I said, I don't want to ruin my own mood tracking system here. And then here, of course, is your insights. So here you can see the emojis of how I've been feeling throughout the week, highlights of the week as well. And yeah, so as you can see, I've been tracking myself for a while now using Mood Monk. And it's just a really fun, simple app. And I just like the exercises as well that are built in within the app to help you just stay focused, be productive, and improve your well-being as well. So that's pretty much it for some amazing apps to help you improve your productivity, improve your well-being, only using the iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button, because that does help a lot. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.